Hi everyone, welcome to NEET Biology channel. Which vitamin is essential for the synthesis of prothrombin, a blood clotting factor, in the liver? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin K. Correct answer is D. Vitamin K. Explanation: Vitamin K is necessary for the gamma carboxylation of specific glutamate residues in prothrombin and other clotting factors, enabling their calcium binding function. Vitamin A, vision and epithelial maintenance. Vitamin C, collagen synthesis. Vitamin D, calcium and phosphate homeostasis. Which structural feature differentiates arteries from veins? A. Valves are present only in arteries. B. Tunica media is thicker in arteries. C. Veins have a thicker tunica media. D. Arteries have a wider lumen. Correct answer is B. Tunica media is thicker in arteries. Explanation: Arteries have a thick smooth muscle layer, tunica media, to withstand high-pressure blood ejection. Veins possess valves to prevent backflow, and have thinner walls with a wider lumen. What is the fate of the primary oocyte arrested in prophase I if fertilization does not occur? A. It matures into an ovum. B. It degenerates during menopause. C. It becomes a secondary oocyte. D. It undergoes atresia. Correct answer is D. It undergoes atresia. Explanation: During a female's reproductive years, most primary oocytes, arrested in prophase I, degenerate via atresia, except for a small fraction that mature each menstrual cycle. Secondary oocyte forms only with successful ovulation and fertilization. Which of the following pairs of organisms exhibit homologous structures due to common ancestry? A. Wings of butterfly and bat. B. Flippers of whale and human arm. C. Wings of bird and insect. D. Eyes of octopus and human. Correct answer is B. Flippers of whale and human arm. Explanation: Both whale flippers and human arms share a similar bone arrangement, humerus, radius, ulna, inherited from a common tetrapod ancestor, classic homologous structures. Wings of butterfly and bat, analogous, functional similarity, different origin. Insect, bird wings, analogous. Human octopus eyes, analogous. What is the mechanism by which antibiotics affect bacteria without harming host cells? A. Targeting cell wall synthesis. B. Inhibiting mitochondrial function. C. Blocking DNA replication in human cells. D. Affecting human ribosomes. Correct answer is A. Targeting cell wall synthesis. Explanation: Many antibiotics, like penicillin, inhibit bacterial peptidoglycan cell wall formation, a feature absent in animal cells. They don't affect human mitochondrial proteins or ribosomes directly, nor do they block human DNA replication. Which component of blood is primarily responsible for clotting? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Plasma proteins. Correct answer is C. Platelets. Explanation: platelets, thrombocytes, are cell fragments that aggregate at injury sites and release clotting factors to form a fibrin mesh. Plasma proteins like fibrinogen participate, but platelets initiate clotting. The light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis occur in which part of chloroplast? A. Stroma. B. Thylakoid membrane. C. Outer membrane. D. Inner stroma lamellae. Correct answer is B. Thylakoid membrane. Explanation: thylakoid membranes host photosystems I and II, the electron transport chain, and ATP synthase complexes, where photophosphorylation and water splitting occur. The stroma houses the Calvin cycle, light-independent reactions. Which part of the human ear is responsible for maintaining balance? A. Cochlea. B. Eustachian tube. C. Semicircular canals. D. Tympanic membrane. Correct answer is C. Semicircular canals. Explanation: semicircular canals, with their fluid-filled, oriented ducts, detect rotational movements, helping maintain dynamic equilibrium. Cochlea handles sound, the Eustachian tube balances pressure, and the tympanic membrane is the eardrum. Which vitamin deficiency leads to pernicious anemia? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin B12. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin K. Correct answer is B. Vitamin B12. Explanation: vitamin B12 deficiency, often due to intrinsic factor lack, results in megaloblastic anemia, pernicious anemia, characterized by large, immature red blood cells. Vitamin C, scurvy. Vitamin D, rickets, osteomalacia. Vitamin K, bleeding disorders. In human digestion, where primarily does fat digestion begin? A. Mouth. B. Stomach. C. Small intestine. D. Esophagus. Correct answer is C. Small intestine. Explanation: lipases, aided by bile salts, break down fats in the duodenum. Traces of fat digestion can occur via lingual lipase in the mouth and stomach, but the small intestine is the main site.